Planning your next outdoor adventure and don't want to forget the essentials? The right gear can make or break your camping experience. Today we're breaking down 35 must-have camping gear items on Amazon, from smart tools to comfort upgrades that make life outdoors easier and safer. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to pack for a smoother, more enjoyable trip. Number 1. OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro EDC Flashlight. The OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro is a slim, pocket-friendly EDC flashlight designed for everyday reliability. It combines powerful white light, UV light, and a green laser in one compact body, making it useful for work, inspections, and outdoor tasks. The flat design sits comfortably in your pocket without bulk, while the rechargeable battery ensures long run times. Built with premium materials and intuitive controls, it's a versatile everyday tool you can depend on anytime. Number 2. OLIGHT Marauder Mini 10,000 liters Flashlight. This compact powerhouse delivers an incredible 10,000 lumens, turning night into daylight instantly. Despite its size, the Marauder Mini offers long-range throw and wide floodlighting, ideal for camping, search tasks, or emergencies. Smart brightness controls help manage heat and battery life, while the rugged build handles harsh conditions. Easy to carry, yet extremely powerful. It's perfect for users who want serious illumination without carrying oversized gear. Number 3. OLIGHT I3T 2 EOS EDC Flashlight. The OLIGHT I3T 2 EOS is a simple, reliable flashlight built for daily carry. Powered by a standard AAA battery, it provides consistent brightness for everyday tasks like home use, work, or emergencies. Lightweight and slim, it clips easily into a pocket or bag. Durable aluminum construction ensures long-term use, while the tail switch allows quick one-handed operation. It's an excellent choice for anyone wanting dependable light without complexity. Number 4. Wise Owl Portable Camping Hammock. This portable camping hammock is designed for comfort, durability, and easy setup. Made from strong parachute nylon, it supports heavy loads while remaining lightweight and breathable. It packs down small, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or backyard relaxation. Reinforced stitching and sturdy carabiners ensure safety and stability. Whether you're resting on a trail or relaxing at camp, this hammock delivers dependable comfort wherever you go. Number 5. Chef Master Butane Fuel Canister Pack. Chef Master Butane fuel canisters provide clean, consistent energy for portable stoves, torches, and camping burners. Designed for efficient combustion, they deliver stable heat for cooking, searing, or outdoor food prep. The sealed construction ensures safe storage and long shelf life. Ideal for camping trips, catering, or emergency cooking setups, these canisters offer dependable performance when electricity isn't available, making them an essential addition to any outdoor or backup kit. Number 6. Stanley Stainless French Press 32 ounces. This Stanley stainless steel French press is built for coffee lovers who want durability and great flavor. Its double wall insulation keeps coffee hot longer, while the rugged stainless body withstands travel, camping, and daily use. The fine mesh filter delivers smooth, rich coffee without grit. With a generous 32 ounces capacity, it's perfect for sharing or long mornings. A reliable, no-frills coffee solution for home or outdoor adventures. Number 7. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter provides instant access to safe drinking water anywhere. It removes bacteria and parasites from rivers, lakes, and streams without chemicals or batteries. Lightweight and easy to use, it's ideal for hiking, travel, emergency preparedness, or disaster kits. Simply sip directly through the straw for clean water. Trusted worldwide, it's a must-have survival tool that delivers peace of mind when clean water isn't guaranteed. Number 8. Yakima SkyBox NX XXL Roof Cargo Box. The Yakima SkyBox NX XXL offers massive storage space for road trips, camping gear, or family travel. Aerodynamic design reduces wind noise and drag, while the durable shell protects cargo from weather and road debris. Dual side opening allows easy access from either side of the vehicle, perfect for long journeys. This cargo box expands your vehicle's carrying capacity without sacrificing comfort or safety, making travel more organized and stress-free. Number 9. Thule Outset Rear-Mounted Tent. The Thule Outset Rear-Mounted Tent transforms your vehicle into a comfortable mobile campsite. Mounted at the back, it offers easy ground access without climbing onto the roof. Fast setup, weather-resistant materials, and a spacious interior make it ideal for overlanding and road trips. Designed for convenience and durability, It provides a secure sleeping solution that's comfortable, practical, and perfect for adventurers who want flexibility without complicated installations. Number 10. INSMY Wearable Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. This wearable waterproof Bluetooth speaker delivers clear sound while keeping your hands free. Designed for outdoor activities, it clips easily to clothing or gear and resists water, dust, and sweat. Strong Bluetooth connectivity ensures stable audio during workouts, hiking, or beach days. Lightweight and rechargeable, it's perfect for people who want music on the move without carrying bulky speakers. A smart blend of portability, durability, and sound quality. Number 11. Anker Everfrost Electric Cooler. The Anker Everfrost Electric Cooler keeps food and drinks cold without ice, making it ideal for camping, road trips, and outdoor events. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it maintains consistent temperatures for extended periods. The durable design handles rough travel, while smart temperature controls ensure efficiency. Perfect for those who want reliable cooling without melted ice mess, it's a premium solution for modern outdoor and off-grid cooling needs. Number 12. Solar 49800 mAh Wireless Power Bank. This high-capacity solar power bank provides reliable backup power for phones, tablets, and outdoor gear. With wireless charging and multiple ports, it supports several devices at once. Solar recharging adds extra security during camping or emergencies. Built with rugged materials, it's designed for outdoor use and long trips. Ideal for travel, hiking, or power outages, it ensures your devices stay charged when access to electricity is limited. Number 13. Nemo Resolve Lightweight Day Pack. The Nemo Resolve Day Pack is designed for comfort, durability, and everyday adventure. Lightweight yet strong, it's perfect for hiking, travel, or daily commuting. Thoughtful storage compartments keep gear organized, while breathable straps reduce fatigue during long wear. Compact enough to pack away, yet sturdy enough for real use, it's a versatile backpack for people who want dependable performance without unnecessary weight or bulk. Number 14. Outtask Portable Outdoor Light. This portable outdoor light delivers bright, adjustable illumination for camping, emergencies, or backyard use. Rechargeable and lightweight, it's easy to carry and set up anywhere. Multiple brightness modes allow flexible use, from soft ambient lighting to powerful task lighting. Durable construction ensures it performs reliably outdoors. Ideal for campers, travelers, or home backup lighting, it provides dependable light wherever and whenever you need it. Number 15. Max Multi-Purpose Camping Toolkit. The Max Camping Toolkit combines multiple essential tools into one compact solution. Designed for outdoor survival, repairs, and emergencies, it includes durable components built to handle tough conditions. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits well in backpacks or vehicle kits. Ideal for camping, hiking, or roadside emergencies, this multi-purpose kit reduces the need for carrying multiple tools while ensuring you're prepared for unexpected situations. Number 16. Wise Owl Heavy Duty Camping Hammock. Built for strength and comfort, this heavy-duty camping hammock supports higher weight without sacrificing portability. Made from reinforced parachute nylon, it resists tearing and wear. Easy setup with strong straps and carabiners makes it beginner-friendly. Perfect for extended camping trips or backyard use, it offers reliable relaxation after long days outdoors. A solid choice for campers who want comfort, safety, and durability in one package. Number 17. Frontrunner Wolfpack Pro Storage Box. The Wolfpack Pro Storage Box offers rugged, stackable storage for overlanding and vehicle organization. Built from durable materials, it handles rough terrain and heavy loads. Secure latches keep gear protected from dust and moisture. Its modular design fits easily in vehicles or camp setups. Ideal for serious adventurers, this box keeps equipment organized, accessible, and protected, even in demanding outdoor conditions. Number 18. Yakima EXO Swing Hitch Cargo System. This swing-away hitch cargo system expands vehicle storage without blocking rear access. The pivoting design allows easy access to the trunk while carrying heavy gear like bikes, coolers, or storage boxes. Built with premium materials, it offers excellent stability and load capacity. Ideal for road trips and outdoor adventures, it's a flexible cargo solution that adapts to changing travel needs without compromising convenience. Number 19. WUBNG 5 G5 Mini EDC Flashlight. The Woobin G5 is a compact EDC flashlight designed for everyday reliability. Despite its small size, it delivers bright, consistent light for daily tasks or emergencies. Lightweight and rechargeable, it fits easily on a keychain or in a pocket. Durable construction ensures long-term use, while simple controls make operation effortless. A great option for anyone who wants dependable lighting without carrying bulky gear. Number 20. Inflatable Glamping Tent with Skylight. This inflatable glamping tent combines comfort and convenience for modern outdoor living. Quick inflation replaces traditional poles, making setup fast and stress-free. Spacious interiors and a built-in skylight create a bright, airy feel, perfect for relaxing or stargazing. Durable, weather-resistant materials protect against the elements. Ideal for families or luxury campers, it delivers a hotel-like experience while staying connected to nature. Number 21. Ivation Portable Camping Shower. This portable camping shower makes staying clean outdoors simple and comfortable. Designed for camping, road trips, or beach use, it delivers steady water pressure for rinsing after hikes or swimming. Lightweight and easy to set up, it connects quickly and stores compactly when not in use. Ideal for campers who value hygiene without bulky gear, it turns outdoor trips into a more comfortable experience while saving time, water, and effort. Number 25. Edixity LED Camping Lantern Fire Pack. This 4-pack of LED camping lanterns provides bright, reliable lighting for tents, campsites, or emergency use. Energy-efficient LEDs offer long runtime, while the compact, lightweight design makes them easy to carry or hang. Perfect for families or group trips, having multiple lanterns ensures every area stays well lit. Durable construction and simple controls make them dependable for outdoor adventures, power outages, or nighttime activities. Number 23. E-Wagon Electric Foldable Utility Wagon. The E-Wagon Electric Foldable Utility Wagon takes the strain out of hauling heavy gear. Powered assistance helps transport camping equipment, groceries, or outdoor supplies with minimal effort. It folds down easily for storage, yet offers strong weight capacity when in use. Ideal for campers, beach trips, or events, this wagon saves energy, reduces physical strain, and makes transporting loads faster, smoother, and far more convenient. Number 24. Mark III Portable Camping Air Conditioner. This portable camping air conditioner delivers real cooling comfort in hot outdoor environments. Designed for tents, RVs, or small enclosed spaces, it helps regulate temperature during summer trips. Compact and transport-friendly, it's easy to set up without permanent installation. Ideal for campers sensitive to heat, it improves sleep quality and overall comfort, turning hot weather camping into a far more enjoyable experience. Number 25. 7-in-1 Multifunction Multi-Tool Wrench. This 7-in-1 multifunction wrench combines several essential tools into one compact design. Perfect for camping, travel, or emergency kits. It handles quick fixes without carrying a full toolbox. Built from durable materials, it's designed for reliability under pressure. Easy to store and simple to use, this multi-tool saves space, time, and effort while ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected repairs or adjustments. Number 26. GCI Kickback Rocker Camping Chair. The GCI Kickback Rocker Camping Chair adds comfort to outdoor relaxation with its smooth rocking motion. Low-profile seating keeps you stable on uneven ground, while padded armrests and breathable fabric enhance comfort. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's ideal for campfires, sporting events, or beach outings. Designed for durability and relaxation, this chair turns long outdoor sitting into a comfortable, enjoyable experience. Number 27. Hand Crank Solar Camping Lantern. This hand crank solar camping lantern provides dependable light without relying on batteries. Solar charging and manual crank options ensure illumination anytime, anywhere. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Durable construction makes it suitable for rough conditions, while bright LEDs offer clear visibility. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, this lantern ensures you're never left in the dark, even off the grid. Number 28. Campster 2 Folding Camping Chair. The Campster 2 Folding Camping Chair is built for all-day comfort outdoors. With supportive seating, breathable fabric, and a sturdy frame, it's ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or backyard relaxation. Easy to fold and transport, it balances portability with durability. Designed for extended use, this chair reduces fatigue and enhances relaxation, making it a dependable seating option for any outdoor adventure. Number 29. Go and Camp 360 365 Solar Camper. The Go and Camp 365 Solar Camper offers a sustainable power solution for camping and off-grid travel. Using solar energy, it supports essential devices without noisy generators or fuel. Compact and efficient, it's ideal for eco-conscious campers who want reliable power for lighting, charging, or small appliances. Designed for year-round use, it enhances independence while keeping outdoor trips quiet, clean, and energy efficient. Number 30. EOS Portable Ice Maker for camping. This portable ice maker delivers fresh ice wherever your trip takes you. Compact and easy to transport, it's ideal for camping, RVs, or outdoor gatherings. Fast ice production keeps drinks cold without relying on store-bought ice. Simple controls and efficient operation make it user-friendly in any setting. Perfect for summer trips, it adds convenience and comfort to outdoor adventures. Number 31. Gas One Portable Butane Camp Stove. The Gas One Portable Butane Camp Stove provides quick, reliable cooking power outdoors. Easy ignition and stable heat control make meal prep simple at campsites, picnics, or emergencies. Compact design ensures easy transport and storage, while durable construction supports frequent use. Ideal for campers and travelers, this stove delivers consistent performance, helping you cook safely and efficiently wherever your journey takes you. Number 32. Flextail Gear Ultra Mini Air Pump. This Ultra Mini Air Pump is a compact powerhouse for camping needs. Designed to inflate air mattresses, pillows, and pool floats quickly, it saves time and effort. Lightweight and rechargeable, it fits easily in backpacks or gear bags. Ideal for minimalist campers, it reduces packing bulk while adding convenience. A practical tool that makes setting up camp faster and far less tiring. Number 33. HydroPack Contour Hydration Reservoir. The HydroPack Contour Hydration Reservoir keeps water easily accessible during hikes and outdoor activities. Slim, ergonomic design fits comfortably in backpacks without shifting. Leak-proof construction and easy fill opening make it reliable on the trail. Ideal for hikers, cyclists, and campers. It ensures consistent hydration while staying lightweight, designed for durability and comfort. It supports long outdoor adventures without interruption. Number 34. Rhino USA Retractable Ratchet Straps. These retractable ratchet straps simplify securing cargo for camping or travel. Built for strength and durability, they lock loads tightly while preventing loose strap mess. Easy retraction saves time during setup and breakdown. Ideal for trucks, trailers, or rooftop carriers. They improve safety and organization. Designed for frequent use, these straps offer reliable load control with less hassle. Number 35. Rovivon A 3Gen 4 Keychain Flashlight. The Rovivon A 3Gen 4 Keychain Flashlight delivers powerful brightness in a compact form. Small enough to carry daily, yet strong enough for outdoor and emergency use. It provides dependable illumination when needed. Rechargeable and durable, it's built for long-term reliability. Ideal for camping, night walks, or everyday carry, this flashlight ensures visibility and confidence in low-light situations. That's a wrap on 35 must-have camping gear for outdoor adventures on Amazon. From essential survival tools to comfort-boosting camping gear, these picks are designed to make every trip safer, easier, and more enjoyable. If something caught your eye, don't wait. Popular items sell out fast. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to stay updated on the best camping gear and Amazon deals.